All right, folks, we're going to talk about pencil code. We're going to talk about the background, like the interface up here. We're going to talk about what all this stuff does. Now, I'm going to give you a series of little projects for you to work on, and you're going to be making some graphics, some lines, some shapes, and your job is going to be to program this little turtle to move around and draw different things. Okay, so let's talk about the interface. Over here on the right hand side of the screen, this is where your turtle is going to move around and your code will be executed over here on the right hand side of the screen. The play button right here will run the program. Notice how it says run program. Okay. And you have some options up here. You can save your work. That is, of course, if you've created an account. You can also take a screenshot here. You got some other options for save, and you can share links to this program. That would be good for turning in your assignment. You can use the share button, generate a link. You can also make a new program. You can log out if you need help. That is where you can ask a question or change your password or whatever. There's a online guide that you can look at, and you can toggle between the split screen here. Okay. Now, what's great about pencil code is you can do block coding or block-based coding, as they call it. And right here, I got some blocks. Or if you're feeling fancy, you can change it over to text. Honestly, it doesn't matter to me what you code with. I would recommend starting with the blocks, but if you think that is for little babies, certainly you can use the text. That's totally fine with me. Um, but I'm going to show you kind of some stuff in blocks, okay? Now, right off the bat in the interface, it gives you some default code here. Let's see what it does. Okay, so I'm going to press play. It creates a green dot, and then it moves the turtle forward 100 pixels, okay? So the dot here is 100 pixels. Let's find out what happens if I change that to 400, and if I move it forward 200, okay? I'm going to see how that changes it, okay? So notice how that changed the code immediately. Okay, now again, this is the default code that they give you. You might not want that. You don't want to start into something brand new. So all you got to do to get rid of it is just drag it over here to this area right there, and it will go away. Bye bye. Okay, let's look at some of these different things here. We got move. These will move your turtle around. You got forward, right, left, back. This right here, make a right arc, a left arc. Okay, this is handy for making circles. Speed, if you want to speed up your turtle and make it zip around the screen real fast and draw quickly, you can use that. Okay, art, you got some different things right here. You got the pen, you can draw lines with that, dot, box, yellow fill, all this stuff right here. Okay, text, you can write text on the screen. That might be fun. Sound, this is great. We can play with sounds later. We got controls here. Now, you got some different things here. These are loops that we'll talk about that. We got for loops right here, and then we have while loops right here. We're not going to talk about that right away. It's a little bit more sophisticated and advanced. You got some operators here. This is where the math is. Oh, math, ugh. You got some sprites. You can do some different characters. Sprite is just another word for like a character. For instance, Super Mario would be like a sprite in a video game. Snippets, some code snippets here. We'll explore that maybe later. But for our purposes here, we are going to just play around with the move. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can get him to move forward. Okay, cool. Alright, so he's going to move forward, move him right, 90. Let's see what happens. Forward, right, 90. Okay, and then we'll do another forward, 100. Oh, okay. Cool. Alright, so that is pretty cool. You know what I might do? I might copy that and... Oh, I want to stay on the page here. I'm going to see if I can Control C and Control V that. Oh, yeah, I can. Let's see what that does. Control C, Control V. Oh. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Now, one of the things you don't see right here is there's no like lines or anything. So maybe what I'll do is I'll put the purple pin up here at the top and see if I can draw a line. Ooh. Ooh, I'm starting to make a rectangle. That's cool. Okay, so I might want to copy this block, paste it down there. Okay, oops, let me control Z that. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna just go get my move. I'm gonna do right 90 and make another forward 100. Okay, let's see what that does. Maybe I can complete the rectangle here. Ooh, I need to go maybe forward 150. Let's try that. Maybe 175, or maybe it's 200. Let's do some math. I bet it's 200. Ha! We made ourselves a little rectangle. So I got a little program here. This is it in blocks. This is it in text. So this is pin purple. Now if you change this right here, change it to 50, it's gonna blow that pin out like that. That's kind of fun. You can tweak all that stuff. Pretty sweet. Okay, now if you are satisfied with your code, you can click save, and then another thing you can do is you can click share, and then you got this share code right here. This will be what you turn in. Okay, and that is what you can do. Okay, all right.